Hey everyone, this is Ian from Silic Audio, and today I'm going to show you how you can install and activate MetalBox on macOS and Windows. This is the same process for MetalBox Lite minus the activation step, and it's going to be the same for any plugins we release in the future. Thankfully, the process on Windows is pretty easy. You just click on the installer and go through the wizard, and you should be all set. You can also drag and drop the file into its respective folder, which I'll add in the description. The process on Mac does have a couple of extra steps though. If you've tried installing one of our plugins before, you might have seen this message pop up. Now, what this rather ominous message is really saying is that our app isn't notarized. I've added an article below from Ars Technica that goes into a little bit more detail, but the gist of it is Apple requires developers pay them $99 a year to go through their automated approval process. It doesn't really do anything to the program one way or the other, but not doing it does add a couple of extra steps for installation. Regardless, I'm going to show you how you can bypass the message so you can install the plugin. So what you do is first you click on the .package file and open up the prompt. Then you click Done. From here, you want to go into System Preferences and Privacy and Security, which you can do by just hitting Command Spacebar and searching for it. You can scroll all the way down and you'll see this message that says metalbox.package was blocked to protect your Mac. You can click Open Anyway, which will open up this pop-up, and you can click Open Anyway on that. You put in your password, hit Allow, and now you should have the installer window opened up. So from here, it's like any other installation on macOS. You hit Continue, you can read the license, agree. You can select an install location if you want to change it. I'm just going to go with what it's set to. Put your password again. And that's that. That's the installation. So if you don't want to go through the trouble of bypassing the pop-up message and you feel comfortable moving around files on your computer, you can also manually install the plugin by dragging and dropping the plugin files into their respective folders on your system. So to do that, you go to any Finder window and you can click Go to Computer, then you can click on your hard drive, go into Library, then click on Audio. Then you can click on Plugins, and you should see a Components folder and a VST3 folder. You can just drag and drop your .vst3 file into the VST3 folder, and you can drag and drop the .component file into the Components folder. And it's that simple. So with the plugin installed, you can open up your DAW, and you should be able to see it in your plugin list now. So I'll just add that in. Now, this next step only applies to our paid plugins. So if you just needed to know how to install one of our freeware versions, you're all set. For everyone else, when you first open the plugin and play some audio, you might notice that no sound is produced. And you might also notice the button up here that says Load License. This is because the plugin is unlicensed and needs to be activated. If you bought the plugin from us, you should have received a file called metalboxlicense.xml or something similar. So in order to activate the plugin, you click on the Load License button, you find wherever you put the license, you click that, click Open, and you're all set. Now if I play our sound again, we can hear the effect. Anyways, I hope this video helped. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.